Welcome to the Mechanical Engineering Technology program. In this program, you will learn how to design and then actually build engineering assemblies. In this, you will figure out how the different parts fit together within a bigger parts system. You're going to learn about the design itself in different software, and then you're going to get to 3D print with our 3D printers, as well as do some builds with different materials. You're going to learn about the strengths of the materials and the mechanisms and how they work together. All of this is enveloped inside of our certificate and degree programs, and they are located at the Lee Main campus. They are primarily seated classes, and they're only offered during the day right now. Our faculty are going to strive to make sure that you can be successful. So if you like the idea of designing something that's mechanical in nature and then actually building it and seeing it come to life, this program will be a great fit for you. You can find out more information by visiting our website.